guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to learn how to fix Google Chrome error SSL protocol error. So first step you have to click on here and you have to type date and time settings. So now in here you have to click on set time automatically and enable this again. So this was the first step. Now I will show you the second step. Now again you have to click on here and you type run. Clicking on run and you type time date.cpl and click on OK. Now to go to internet time and click on change settings. In here you have to choose time.windows.com and you click update now and you click OK and OK. So this was the second step. Now I will show the last step. Now again you click on run and you type inet cpl.cpl, click enter. Now you click on content and clear SSL state. So as you can see, SSL cache has been cleared successfully. So now we have to click on cmd. This is the last step. Click on run as administrator. Yes. And now you type ipconfig /flush DNS/flush DNS, enter. So as you can see, successfully flush DNS cache. Now you click enter. So after all these steps, this error will be solved. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next video. Bye.